Ufuriate no copy is Cabayo, Naquasiam Penny Subin and Pinana, you free no. And then yet, Kufad and Edemeba power. We are Quasiam Penny winning answer. Nobody made me an MP. A Kufuor did not make me an MP. You understand? God made me an MP. I was elected as a Kufuor was elected. So nobody should dare threaten anybody. When you veer into that realm, you even muddy the waters the more. I'm not sitting here speaking as Gyimifuo Antwi. I'm sitting here speaking as a representative of the very good people of Subin. So they shouldn't bring these threats and what have you. If you want to come and sit me, come to Subin and sit me. Nobody made me an MPO. The good people of Subin made me an MP. I contested a primary like whoever contested a primary to become president. The fact that you have taken this position doesn't mean that it's directly directed at President Kufuor. No. We are talking about the supreme interest of the MPP. And no individual, quote me, is bigger than this party. Nobody. Including me, including Nana Kufuor, including all the MPs. We are serving the tradition, the MPP tradition. We don't have to agree all the time. Otherwise, we'll be seen as robots. There are certain times we will go our separate ways. The decision we have taken as MPs is to ensure that who I have served loyally and faithfully for 2 decades.
Prior to the 2008 elections.
Bear with me. Wawoba, Emma obey the dem to see in Kumbano. Oh, Nyansa, a better than Quasia, for to say if you quetenum, and make country and say the seeds like the CD appreciating, just mere artificial. Because you Nyaquasia and puff 1 penny phobia, almost say, do almost come bedi, and the almost pen quan munya. Mrs. Subin and Pino Yaquasian penny. No beya Kwasiam penny a kopem da wodi bewu mo pa mo de mo market hwe se we firi mu a sa 2024 he will be the most irrelevant MP ever. One Ras Mubarak oko Captain Gyimifuo no wa oye ne basabasa no sa na tie se wo ye Kwasiam penny ma wa wo party sa na ye de yo Ras Mubarak e de na wan ya ma NDC. Me say he is a very useless MP. The Subin MP is the most useless MP ever. The odi animu ba apia kubi no after president ni omo kasa yo mo how many times won say Oma Eida? How many times? Na yeti ho na Kwasiam penny we ebeje S Gracia. Gyimifuo MP we ebetna wa beje S Gracia. Wa onu ankasa wo ba o ne ba na didam nti wo se wa ton ne ba na masasaboro nsam yen kɔwe no enso ebere na kanofori atade ne ama ebeba ni kurom ebere na kanofori atahyehyehye ne ama akwan a yeguo ne nina enya Kufuor na de wo ba power wo ya aboa because time wana wo pe na omo pe wa tu afiri so ne de na wo se Kufuor amfa na nim ambete wa ye betu abetia wo. Hey, this week president eba me ho. Me na president eba me ho no. Me na president eba me ho no. Ofui tintin to la ba. Konkonte la pewa MP. Wa dwene ewu. La pewa MP. Na dwene ewu because kurase ni bi sa no. Ne na hu kotwa. Wanda dwene se court kuro be shebi. Enti obenya court share ye no na dwene na nkasa ye de dwene na firi ne tirim. Abua bi so ye MP. Be ka kire ye se ye ntua woka. Subin MP yentua woka. Yetua woka. Subin MP ubedi MP yetua woka. Wala wansi yetua ma wo. Chimi se mo akwasi ampafo we nu ni na moto. Me se mo de mo nhwe de besi me se ono. Se yebekwa kotai NDC ni so we ni primaries ne kura yebekwa kotai NDC na chima na tu no. I'm telling you me se me ya meye. He's not coming to parliament no more. That stupid Subin MP would not happen in Ghana 9th parliament. On mebio. Because city to dollar now we see a nunti. Yem fam pamo said euphoria tano. And they see to dollar ni ye na medwene sanka obema wanumu kan no wosia kakraka na yes empatra dida wanumu na emu kan no wanumu kan wanumu oda sala kemi gogomi oda fa wano chapa ne sa o space na ayesa aponchi a yehu ne to a wode be kan kwase asem no na medwene sanka abegina the same premises so akase when ye sebe see the name consultancy say because that was the reason why you wanted him to resign. That was the reason why you wanted him to resign. And then the resignation now maybe you walk kwase awate so be MP. Wow, boy, me say na me say me Ghana me bo parliament one my ready. I've told you people can't gag me. I will come stand on the floor of parliament. I will start from the speaker. I will tell him how useless he is for letting Ghanaians spend 1.2 million on a henia echo. I will tell him that. I will come to Chairman Sabunsu. I will fire Chairman Sabunsu. I will turn to the NDC side. I will fire all their MPs. Me say this is my hand. Take me to jail. Monfamenko. The amaka wa ha enya no kure no. Monfamenko tum. Me se me Ghana na kwesi mete so mo se oba Ghana ombe frewa ba parliament na we be substinti ni amebi a wakeka. Asifa eno na nka me ba ya me se ene na me ba me meka MP fo na asembio. Mo ye mo ama me papa. Mo ye Gyimifuo ma me papa. Na wo nyansa se me metu kwesi apia na nda me bai ewa ha na akolei ayare anasa akolei na ye ne ya na mesi akola na ye ne ye ntino mato na masasabro nsam se won we no wa boa wo kwase api mesi subi MP no se wo pe MP a oye kwase ampani a oka ho MPs ni bebere Gyimi, but I'm ready for them. Because I declared on this platform, say, this will be the most useless 8th parliament we would ever have. And that is what is happening. Because why? They went there not with Ghana at heart. They went there to do their party works. It is idea no more no say niya Ghana ni kura mani sukura enfane ho. But we will not sit and watch them do that. Mrs. Subin MP, if you are watching me, my name is Felix Sapia. Mr. Subin MP a wenyini eja wadwene ho. Mr. Subin MP a oye beye bronsamo a ade wo fi a wompe because embe una wenya hondodo de awe. Utie. Subin MP a nyansa ye fre ni nyansa enyamede ma wo wato ato nchen adane wo ho Gyimifuo. Ubelusu. He say wa me yehu say enya na Addo ene ma wo wini ye. Na sister Cynthia may train 2023 say ye koye sa time wo mko aprobo no na president no kokoko MPs no ko page omonsa no mehwe so be apply say ye meso ne nsempagya ka me mehwe da smabobo di last of boys no mema me boys na akose mema ma akototo tear gas ne ade ato ase hu ni na Ekufuado, I'm telling you this, I'm your son, but these days if you support these foolish people I will come after you. Nanado, I am your son. I love you to the moon and back. Sometimes I even weigh you and my father. When I'm a don more. I'm telling you. But if you allow these stupid people to come around you again, Nanado, your own son will turn against you. I will turn against you and I will bash you till you leave office. Almost when you be Nanado, you don't have no weight. You didn't make them who they are. Siakwa o koto abadia osumini na ne bani ni